And this scenario is both missed meetings. The situation description goes, your colleague James frequently misses team meetings, claiming he's too busy with other tasks. This is causing delays in decision making and progress on shared projects. And your task is to rate the effectiveness of the following actions that you could take. You could speak to James privately and explain how his absence impacts the team. You could notify your manager about James's behavior and suggest they address it. You could ask James to send a representative or provide input in advance if he cannot attend. Or you could ignore the issue and assume James has valid reasons for missing the meetings. Now, for each of these potential actions, you are required to state whether you believe the activity is counterproductive, ineffective, barely effective, or effective. If you require more time to think about what you would do in this scenario, how you would rate the options, then you should pause the video here, as we are going to go straight into the actual answers. They are, again, for the first option was to speak to James privately and explain how his absence impacts the team. This is rated effective. The approach ensures clear communication and gives James the opportunity to understand the consequences of his actions. The second option again was to notify your manager about James' behavior and suggest that they address it. This has been rated fairly effective. Escalating the issue could resolve it, but it may cause tension if James feels excluded from the conversation. Third option was to ask James to send a representative or to provide input in advance if he cannot attend. This has been rated fairly effective. It minimizes disruptions but doesn't directly address the root cause of James's absences. And the final option was to ignore the issue and assume James has valid reasons for missing the meeting. This has been rated ineffective, as avoiding the problem can lead to further delays and further misunderstandings.